Hello and welcome back to the channel, Easy Digital Art. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make sea glass using Office Shapes in Microsoft Word. We're going to go into Insert, Shapes, just take a round shape, right click on it, Edit Points. I'm going to right click again, add an extra point. Here I'll do the same. Look like a natural rock. Just going to go Edit Points again, right click, change this to Smooth Point. Change this to a smooth point. You don't have to do it, but sometimes it makes it a little smoother. All right, so that's the first one. I'm just gonna I think I'm gonna try to make several rocks first before I do anything. This one, edit points, and bring it out like this. Take this one out. That one out like that. Bring it in more. All right. Add a third one. In this case, just gonna leave it like that. So we have just three basic rocks. Stones, or sea glass, I should say, not rocks. I'm gonna highlight all of them, shift, and then left click to highlight them or select them. Shape outline, no outline. All right, we can change the colors of each one. Let's do that as well. Unselect them. Make this one red. Make this one shape fill green. And let's add maybe one more copy. Paste. Points. And we just use this circular shape, but you can use any other kinds of shapes. So shape fill. That I'm going to include, insert a star. Right there, this one here. And I'm going to make that yellow. I'm going to insert shapes. And I'm going to add, let me just see here, a heart. That's going to be red. Okay, so these two shapes, we want to get rid of the outline. So that's quite a bit. Now I'm going to go select all of them. And I'm going to go here into Format Shapes. You could also right click and go, oops, and you select all of them. You can right click and Format Object, and it'll bring up this. I'm going to give it a transparency of 9 for all of them. I'm going to go here into the middle icon, go into Bevel, choose the rounded. Okay. I'm going to give it a width of 21.5 and height of 9.5. Okay. Starting to look like sea glass. Almost there. Material, warm matte, which is the second one. It's already selected. And the lighting, We want the last one here, the bright room. Okay. So now we have objects that look like they've been washed by the ocean. This one here, I think with this one, you might want to make it stand out a little bit more. See if we can increase that. I don't know if it'll work. Let's give it a different angle. Like that. Maybe the width shouldn't be that high up. Okay. Just trying to think here. You can also try a different material. This one's a little bit better. Okay. So some of the objects are in front of the other ones. You can see they're transparent, so you can just kind of move them. This one I'm going to center back. And this one, just to make it a little more transparent, I'll increase the transparency so you can see the star. And I'm just going to give the star a little bit more rounding. Like so. This one too, a little bit more transparency. All right. So yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching.